Hello everyone. Yes students, today we will discuss kinds of sentences. Students, in our previous lecture we have discussed about the sentences and subject and predicate also. But today we will discuss the kinds of sentences. Okay, so let's start. Listen student, the sentences are four kinds of. Sentences are four kinds of. These are these are, first one is assertive and its another name is declarative also. Okay, second one is imperative. Okay, second one is imperative. Third one is interrogative. Okay student, third one is interrogative and fourth one is exclamatory. Okay, so these are four types of sentences. Okay, first one is assertive and second is its another name is declarative also. Second one is imperative sentence, third one is interrogative sentence and fourth one is exclamatory sentences. So assertive sentences. So first I am going to explain assertive sentence, but today, okay students, first I want to tell you one thing more. Today we will discuss only two types of sentences. Two types of sentences I will discuss in next lecture. Okay, so what is the assertive sentences? An assertive sentence, an assertive sentence expresses, expresses a statement to tell a fact. Okay, and it ends with a full stop. Okay student, an assertive sentences expresses a statement to tell a fact. Okay, it ends with a full stop, और ये फुल स्टॉप से एंड होता है और ये स्टेटमेंट को एक्सप्रेस करता है फैक्ट बताने के लिए. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट, असर्टिव सेंटेंसेस आर आल्सो टू टाइप्स ऑफ. ओके, assertive sentences are also two types of. First one is affirmative. Okay, and second one is negative. Okay student, assertive sentence and declarative sentence also two types of, affirmative and negative. Affirmative means positive sentence, like the boy is playing. The boy is playing, it means it is a positive sentence. Okay, now negative, its negative sentences is the boy is not playing. Okay, the boy is not playing, the boy is playing. Like second example, he is reading. He is reading. If I make negative sentence of this sentence, then I will make he is not reading. It means these are negative sentence and these are positive sentence. So assertive and declarative sentences are two types of, one of affirmative and second one is negative. Negative sentence, okay, this type of sentences, and positive sentences this type of sentence. Okay student, I hope you are getting. For practice student, you have to write 5 example of affirmative sentence and 5 example of negative sentences. Okay. Now let's take imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Okay. Imperative sentences express order, command, okay, advise, request, advise or suggestion. Okay students, so those sentences express order, command, request, advice or suggestion are called imperative sentences. So what is the imperative sentence? Second property of this sentence is it also ends with a full stop. Okay student, it also ends with a full stop. But how can you identify these type of sentences? So now okay, for example, if you give order to someone like shut the door, open the window, okay, don't make a noise, okay, if this type of sentences are order, okay, in this type of sentences express order because we are giving order to someone to do something. So these are order. And request means if you are saying to someone like please give me a glass of water, please give me do this, then it means you are requesting to someone. It means this type of sentences are also. And advice also, if you are saying that it is raining, you should take umbrella, it is raining, you should carry umbrella, and always speak truth, कि हमेशा सच बोलो. So these type of sentences, okay, in these type of sentences are advice. So you can say these type of sentences are imperative sentences. Second property is imperative sentences is it also ends with a full stop and it start with a verb. Most of sentences start with a verb. Like other sentences start with a subject, but these type of sentences start with a verb. Like for example, shut the door. Shut the door, it means, listen, see student, here is the shut is the verb and the door, it means we are saying to someone, I am saying to someone shut the door. I am not in this sentence I am not indicating a subject कि like whom I am saying कि मैं किसको कह रही हूँ. Okay, because in this type of sentences subject is hidden. Okay, like if I am saying you shut the door, if anybody is if someone is in front of me, then I will say please shut the door. It means I am saying to you. It means I am saying to you. So in this type of sentences, you, subject is you, but you is in this type of sentence is hidden. Okay, and like please give me a glass of water. Please give me a glass of water. Okay, this is the request. If it means you are requesting to someone ki please give me a glass of water. One more example. Always speak truth. Okay, कि हमेशा सच बोलो. It means I am giving suggestion, I am giving advice to someone to speak truth. You can make many sentences, okay, like this. One more example, you can say watch your step carefully because there is water. Watch your step carefully, there is water, you may fall down. It means you are giving advice to someone कि अपना step ध्यान से पाँव रखो, वहाँ पे पानी है. Okay, like this type of sentences called imperative sentences. So listen student, you have to write 10 example of imperative sentences and 10 example of declarative and assertive sentences in rough notebook or in your fair notebook. You can do in fair notebook. Okay, listen student, and I hope you have understood what I have explained, and those exercises are given in your book. If any exercises are given in your book related these two type of sentences, then you have to do that exercise. I hope you have understood. Thank you students.